DGPS surveyors are essential in the land surveying industry, particularly in places like Manesar. In India's state of Haryana, the industrial hub of Manesar is undergoing a number of infrastructure developments. The importance of precise and accurate land surveys has increased, and this is where DGPS surveyors come into play. Differential Global Positional System, or DGPS, is a satellite-based technology that offers incredibly precise positional data. Manesar's DGPS surveyors use this technology to carry out surveys and produce in-depth maps and plans. In Manesar, DGPS surveyors' duties extend beyond simple measurement of angles and distances. They are in charge of gathering information about topography, boundaries, and land features using specialized tools and software. Architects, engineers, and urban planners utilize this information to build and develop various projects in Manesar. One such area is SCON design, or structural construction design, where the information gathered by DGPS surveyors is essential. SCON design entails creating buildings that are reliable, strong, and effective. The SCON design is supported by trustworthy data and complies with all standards thanks to the precise measurements offered by DGPS surveyors. Due to the area's rapid expansion, there has been a steady rise in the demand for DGPS surveyors in Manesar. Accurate land measurements and mapping are required for the planning and execution of new industries, residential developments, and infrastructure projects. These measurements are precise to within centimeters thanks to the use of cutting-edge equipment by DGPS surveyors. For a variety of objectives, including land acquisition, construction planning, and environmental evaluations, this degree of accuracy is crucial. Working alongside other experts involved in the design and construction process is another aspect of the work performed by DGPS surveyors in Manesar. In regions like Manesar, DGPS surveyors are extremely important in the profession of land surveying. An industrial region in the Indian state of Haryana called Manesar is now undergoing a number of infrastructure developments. DGPS surveyors are useful because of the increasing importance of precise and accurate land measurements. Differential Global Positional System, sometimes known as DGPS, is a satellite-based device that offers incredibly precise positional data. This technology is used by DGPS surveyors in Manesar to carry out surveys and produce in-depth maps and plans. More than just measuring distances and angles are part of what DGPS surveyors do in Manesar. They are in charge of employing specialized tools and software to gather information on topography, boundaries, and geographical features. In order to build and construct various projects in Manesar, architects, engineers, and urban planners use this data. One such area where the information gathered by DGPS surveyors is essential is SCON design, which stands for Structural Construction Design. Structures that are secure, resilient, and effective (SCON) are designed. The SCON design is based on exact measurements provided